Hi guys, welcome back to H&M Tech Tutorial, and in this video tutorial I will tell you about how you can check Wi-Fi on mobile, that which Wi-Fi you are connected with. So simply you can check here, the Wi-Fi option is showing, and as I am connected with the Wi-Fi directly, so to check the Wi-Fi password, what you can do, you can scroll down and you can see different Wi-Fi options are showing here. So what you can do, you can check the QR code option over here. So once you will check QR code, you can just take screenshot of QR code, and once you will take screenshot, what you can do, you can open any of your favorite browser. Like I'm opening here Google Chrome, so you can search about zxing.org. So once you will open the website, what you can do, the screenshot you have taken previously, you can upload over here, choose a file, and you can see an option over here, and so just it will redirect me to the media folder. So once I will open media folder, I will just get the previous screenshot which I have taken, and you can see a submit button over here. So once you will click on submit button, it will show you the Wi-Fi password which you are connected. So as you can see here, it's shown me different details like the Wi-Fi owner, like VPA, and the password is just shown like ABBASI 1234. So in this way you can check the Wi-Fi password which you are connected with.